Hi everyone, today I will talk about trading and share some personal knowledge with you about it. Have a small question. How we can earn from trading? Does it's profitable? The answer is this. Yes, we can earn from trading without any loss. Before start the trading, we must have to learn about it as the law of universe. We must learn and know about a job we want to do. Otherwise, we will waste our time and other resources. First, we have to learn about price action and fund management. How much risk we are taking and how much reward we will get. Let me give you an example here. This is the 1 day chart of Bitcoin, and if we see the price action, so this is the 1 day candle and the second day. So here will be the stop loss, and here is the entry, and this almost 1 hour complete. It's also will be hit the 2 hour. So keep in mind the loss and profit must be equal. Not like this, we are taking profit here, and if this market go back and we will get all of the loss. So must take profit as per your loss. The better thing, if you want to win rate, then you have to wait for the 2 hour. Sometimes you get hit the stop loss. So next, if you win the 4 trades and 1 trade go in loss, so nobody if you all time take 2 hour. Let's talk about manual trading and automation trading. Which one is better? So as you can see, for manual trading, we have to read the chart and analyze the price. Then we have to manage the risk and reward. And even a good trade goes wrong, as you can see here. 1 day candle in 1010 crash, so no stop loss hit, even people get liquidation. So in the manual trading involve emotions, fear and greed. Sometimes we take leverage more than our funds, the leverage we cannot afford, like a small amount of account, and take a 20x, 25x and 30x. Some people's make is 50x and 100x, so they got a liquidation. This kind of trading 99% will be go in loss, and all time you will get your account wash. So you don't have any funds every time you trade like this. Let's talk about automation. In the automation, we don't need to study the chart. We have only fund managements and select a range, like running a bot, a spot grid bot is the best way of earning. Let me show you a example. Here we are running about its spot grid bot with fixed distance and the fixed amount of the tokens. Right now we built a bot for myself on Astradex. So we get the like a connect the wallet and get the API, and we built a bot with Telegram, so I can control my bot from the Telegram. And here is the balances, and like here before I check I have $2.5 and the ones after sell and I have 2.6. so each 0.01% cent move, we are earning 10 cent profit. We can start a grid bot, so we have to must give a price range and how much grids and the amount of USDT we want to invest. So this will be work and it's profitable, low risk, low reward, but have must reward. So if you see like a 7 days, 15 days and after a 1 month, like you invest $500 for a month, so I can say surely you will be get return around 100, 150. It depends on the market volatility or which pair you choose to trade. A good volatility token can give you more opportunity to earn, or if you run a bot on dead token with less volatility, so you will get less profit. So first we have to learn how manual trading works and how automation works, and then we have to compare. As per my experience, we go through both way, but we face loss in like a future trading. Now we come to the spot and we are running this bot with our own logic. We are not using Binance spot grid bot because they have own logic. So I don't like the bot. So we are here to build Telegram bots. If you want the bot on the Hyperliquid or Astradex or lighter, so we can build any kind of bot for you with your strategy. So let me know if you're interested or have any question, so you can DM.